What's up, guys? Here in Columbus, and I just hooked into a nice fish. I'm using bread.
Yeah, and he's catching a big catfish here, and he looks like he's getting a little bit of trouble reeling it in. So we might have to close off because he is struggling and he's trying to do whatever he can to reel it in.
It's a big
So
catfish.
that is a huge one. Oh my! I have to close. I am sorry. Wow.
Is it on? It's still on, guys. Okay, here. Hold this.
my-
Hold this.
Okay, this is a huge one. We just caught
There
the
we
biggest
go, Lena.
catfish in the world.
There we go, Lee.
Yes, here we go.
He has.
Here.
Look at. You know that hot dog?
Yeah.
Oh no, he doesn't have the hot dog. Never mind. Okay, this is a big catfish.
Yeah, this is a huge one. If you can see, I don't know if he can still sting you. I have never seen this big of a catfish.
That is crazy, Lena. Hold it. Keep on. All right. I'm gonna remove it here.
Yes, how will you remove that?
Dang. This is definitely the biggest
Ooh, yeah.
catfish I've ever caught.
Yeah, and that's serious bleeding one.
Okay,
Yeah,
here he is. First fish. We've only been here about 10 minutes, and I was on the bait caster. I'm releasing. There he goes. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna cast out here for Lena, and she's gonna try to set the hook for me. All right, ready, Lee? Right here. Bring it when you're let your tip down, and when the line starts moving, you have one and you lift up. Okay?
Yeah.
They're filling with it. Your line's not moving though. Okay, your line's starting to move. Hey, got one. Lift up. Lift up. I think it's a baby catfish. What is it? It's a bass. I think it's a bass.
You're broke.
Oh my gosh, it's okay. It's okay. Here. There you go. We just caught a nice largemouth on bread. We're gonna release it right here. Good job, Lee. It's on another one. Lift it up. Lift it up. Reel in.
I can't. Oh my.
You're okay, Lee. Here, I'll hold it for you. Did you lose them?
No, still haven't.
I think it's a bass.
It's a bass.
I think.
Can't even reel this thing
Or
in.
catfish. I mean, it's pulling. Like, I have no clue what it is. Come on, reel it in. It could be. I think it's a catfish. Yeah, it's a catfish. There you go, Lee. All right, come on. All right, reel him in. Reel it in. All right, come on. Reel him in, Lee. Good job, Lena. I'm gonna put him right in the mouth. Whoa, don't do that. Okay, hold it like this. I promise he can't get you. He can't get. See?
How do I
Okay, I'm gonna get to release. Don't toss the pliers out there.
How do I?
Here, just let him out there. Just ease it back into it. Ease back into it. All right, there you go. Now let go. Now let go of the pliers. Here. Okay, it's a nice one.
Yeah. It's not a real nice one. He's trying to reel it in here. He's not setting it drag. He's trying to do it here. I don't think he reeled it in yet. Looks like a big catfish or a bass, largemouth bass. Let's see.
Got one, guys.
Maybe small catfish. Small catfish, maybe.
Yeah, it's a catfish.
Oh yeah, it's catfish. Yeah, maybe one of the big ones now. Yeah, that's a big
There
one.
we go.
Yeah, here we go again.
Yeah. It's a nice one. All right, stop the video.
Yeah, no one feels.
Okay. Pretty one. Alright, stop it. So Lena just caught this one. She wanted to take it off. We were just using a little slide bobber with a little split shot weight. I believe this is like 1/8, but I honestly don't know. And then just a little hook. I'll pull that out. We're mainly going for catfish, and we're still using that bread, but, you know, we are fine. Alright, there you go, Lee. There's one. There you go, Lee.
The same exact one.
Nice, Lee. Another one. She's gonna take it off the hook for me.
Wait. Oh, this one's down in there. Swallowed it.
No, he's alright. You need me to help you?
Oh, this one's right here.
Yeah, just pull down like this. Watch.
Yeah, I got it.
Pull down. Yeah, push down. Push down. Hard.
And try it.
Get him back in. Honestly, we're just kind of using that one and just kind of waiting to catch catfish. And then we use the little Zepco closed face. And just kind of cast it a few feet out there. Wait, let it sit. And you could see him. Got him. There you go.
You know what I could try?
Yep, you want to take it off, Lee?
This one has a...
I think it's a bass.
That's a...
Or a bluegill. It's a bluegill.
And it pulled that hard.
I just caught a little hybrid bass. I think we're just a hybrid. Can you hold this? I'll get this off for you, Lena.
Okay, I'll hold this.
Here, can you hold it? And I'm just gonna step on him because he's pretty aggressive right now.
Yes, and
It's
it's
actually
bleeding bad.
Yeah, these fish are super aggressive. He'll pull it down. Ah, he did not like that. Well, you're almost done, buddy.
If you don't move, it's easier, buddy. Okay, I'm not holding that fella.
And good job, Lee.
Yeah.
Nice
I got
hybrid.
that.
I'm gonna release him for her because she
Yes.
does not want to hold him. You
Yes.
sure?
I'm sure he's
You
bleeding.
gotta at least touch him.
I want to touch it.
Okay, there you go. I think this is hybrid. Comment if you actually know what the fish is.
Yes, and follow him on the blog.
Peace.
Whatever. Peace out.
Guys, Dumpford Outdoors here. A few hours later, and we're night fishing now. Just caught a bluegill with my cousin, and I'm gonna release this fish. That was on bread on my bait caster. We're actually going for catfish, but we caught a bluegill, so I'm okay. Okay, guys, we're on the dock here. It's still night if you guys can't tell. And I have a big catfish, and I'm on the dock. This might be one of the biggest catfish of the day. Come here, Livy, come here. Can you do me a huge favor? You want to help me reel them in? Come here. Can you tell her to go around?
Libby, go around.
Go around. Come here. She's going to land it for us. And this is probably going to wrap up the night. But come here. You both are going to help. All right, come here. You put your arm in here. Okay. Put your arm right here. And then reel this in. You reel it in. You reel it in. Let Lila reel it in and you hold it. Hold the pole. Hold the pole. Hold the pole.
Oh,
It's strong.
come back.
There you go.
Why? Libby, look at what you got.
In a second, but yeah, it's a big catfish. I'm gonna go grab the pliers and we'll release him, and then we'll talk to you guys. Guys, what's up? Oh, that flashlight's really in my eyes. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed catfishing. Hey, it wasn't at the river today, so enjoy. Till next time, never give up.